सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ कि अगर ऐसा कोई, जैसे ये तो इंडियन आइडल नहीं है राइट,
ओके
ये तो इंडियन आइडल नहीं है,
हाँ
इसमें बस मतलब आपको फ़ोन करके कुछ सुनाना पड़ेगा और मेरी टीवी में भी नहीं दिखाया जाएगा, तो ऐसे क्या उत्साहित होते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मेरा इसमें इंटरेस्ट है ना सिंगिंग में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है
सिंगिंग में है,
या
तो अगर ऐसे मतलब बडिंग सिंगर्स के लिए ऐसा कोई मतलब शो अगर हो या ऐसा कोई इनिशिएटिव लिए जाओ तो आपको लगता है वो सक्सेसफुल है? What do you think about this kind of initiative? Is it actually going to be successful? Because the promotion is like, I mean, it's like online, okay? I mean, only in Facebook or whatever online. Microsoft, you've never heard of it until I told you, right? So, do you think it's going to be a success? I mean, what can Microsoft do to promote it much, I mean, more among the youth and everything? और क्या करना चाहिए?
The talent hunt.
Yes,
Promote talent
yes,
hunt.
yes.
Supposingly as of now, the social networking sites are very successful right now. So it's a great idea to post
But
there.
what's in it for the singles that are, क्योंकि इंडियन आइडल में हम शो दिखाते हैं, टीवी पे दिखाते हैं, फेमस बनाते हैं, यहाँ तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करते, तो मिल क्या रहे लोग? Do you think actually people will be interested? Are you interested?
Yeah, if I had some talent like singing or like
कुछ भी शायरी, whatever, you speak nonsense for 30 seconds, if people like you, that's also.
If I have some talent that people like, I'll surely go up and approach this.
And you also tell your friends to vote, right?
Yeah. Obviously, I will because in the other hand, in some way, you get publicity through social media. People get to know you, and they obviously see when you see your video, it spreads around. And if it's really good, obviously it's gonna spread. YouTube, Facebook, everything is so common right now. So,
But what do you want Microsoft to give to the winners? I mean, much, because I mean, phone is okay, but they want a platform, a talent, some showcasing of talent should be there. Do you think Microsoft can give?
yeah, maybe some kind of ads on in TV
Or an online
Yeah.
maybe on the winners, right?
Yeah,
They can
the
be
winners,
publicized.
they can be publicized.
Right,
Their
right.
talent can be shown to the professionals.
So, as a talented person, as somebody who actually knows what singing is or wants to be someone big in the music industry, do you think it's really a good platform to to invest your time in?
In Microsoft
Yeah,
or
I mean,
in talent hunt.
in the talent hunt, in this talent hunt.
You can give a chance to a person like platform is needed at times. It's nothing like simply by sitting at home you can't get anything. But you have to struggle for that. If you are getting a platform to show yourself, to come across things, so I think a bit it is required.
But what, as a contestant, budding talent, you would want Microsoft to do so that people feel happy or the budding talents actually come forward and be a part of the initiative? What do you want from Microsoft's part? What more? What else?
Generally reality shows are okay, fine, they are, but sometimes
This is
these
not a
things
reality
are,
show.
yeah, sometimes they are just something which is written on the script and you are just saying it out. That is not reality. There are partialities and all that happens, but as we are talking about Microsoft, so I would suggest promotion point of view, if I see something interesting can happen, like which motivate people. Just ad and advertisement, these are general things.
And ad is also only to college students.
Ah.
Because this is also going to be partial. You're going to tell your friends to vote for you and
Yeah.
again the same thing.
It has to be on some scale, some extent, that scale that everyone get a chance to come forward. Fine.
Maybe to hear your talent.
Yeah.
People
To
who
hear
don't know
me
you also.
Definitely. Because some places are, they're not at all able to see you, hear you. So what about those category of people?
Correct.
So, fine, there are mediums, there are channels to look forward, TV is there, radios are there, but still, those who can't read,
So you think
those who can't express their feelings, so what about them?
so Microsoft has to get out of this social network and go offline also, is what you're trying to say.
Definitely. Offline, and to those people generally, like those who are main focus point, who are more into it, like, ठीक है, सब देखते हैं, that is fine. We are into that, so society, the high society people are there, middle class families are there. What about the low class people? Fine.
There has to be certain penetration.
For them, there is a lesson, or for them there is a motivation for them, so they can come forward.
Absolutely. That's a wonderful. So you know what initiative. So what do you think? Would you actually, as a
should be rather than on such a close idea, it should be somewhere open and people can
actually use all those entries and then decide on whether they want to like it or not. So that if I, for example, if I'm your friend and then you give me your number, you will give me an idea and I will like it. I might like someone else's post as well, but I won't see it because that was I don't have the time.
So actually you want all the talents to be, but how can that be possible? I mean, you want a YouTube recording of all the talents to be there. But why will people visit the site just to hear the talents and like it?
For example, if I go and I want to watch your video, which is one amongst the others. So I would also watch the other ones and I'll like if I genuinely like someone. So in that way you can ensure that someone who deserves to win he wins.
So people who actually have no relation, who actually can't sing or are not a part of this can actually go to the website and like. There is a chance, you see. But for that you have to do maybe social media marketing a lot, or because Microsoft isn't doing any of such things as of now. It's just going to students and
In that case, like if I come through you to that channel, I might want to like someone else's work as well.
so that gives again talent. Not
This
providing.
is not a sustainable model because first of all fame and whatever you're looking for you can get on digital channels because you have a lot of spaces to do that. You're just gratifying them with a phone. But what after that? If someone is a good singer, you need to gratify them with something better, that can help them sustain whatever they want to do.
Whatever talent they are actually displaying, if there is no talent displayed, I mean, what is likes actually? On Facebook also you get likes without having a Microsoft
The most
platform to
important
it.
part is why would I, as I said, why would I listen to anybody who's already won a Nokia Lumia? I would rather want to win it myself. So fine, I would not want to listen and put a like over there. I would rather.
As a college student, if you're just sitting in a canteen, see that poster in the canteen and see the Microsoft is doing something like that, and it's telling you to, conveying you that message that you call karo, and then you get
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
So
Yeah,
would you do it because of
displaying
the
my
Microsoft
talent.
thing or because of,
They should offer a people best.
And it's not for
I
budding
don't
talent
know
because
what
they're not
value they are
promoting
trying
it
to
well.
procure out
It's
of
only
it.
in a
What
B school.
what is
People
the
already
exact
have
value
a
they are trying
platform
to get
to
out of it?
showcase their talent.
Yeah, they're
I
in a
don't
B
think they
school,
would
they
use
have
this,
300 other ways to put their talent up themselves.
This is
To
not
try
a
and
good
reach
way.
the people who don't have a platform.
Secondly,
to
there
get
should be
success.
some value. Fine, you're getting the people to show their talent onto a platform, but there are so many available on the TV. Better than this. Go record a sound on That's the SoundCloud,
uh,
only
Yeah,
Reverb Nation,
value
and
addition. Yeah,
people will
SoundCloud
follow you.
obviously,
Simple
yes,
as that.
yes.
Why?
so the
use this as a
Microsoft
channel?
name also won't create any magic. You think
not at all.
this
For
won't
this,
sustain?
absolutely not. Not a music
It has
song
nothing
will-
to do with it. There's no
No correlation
yeah,
between
no correlation
Microsoft
at all.
and this. Yeah, that's the only thing.
But cheers to
It would have worked. It might have worked because the brand name is, coinciding with the idea. But come on,
Had Microsoft
here it's
come up with a
talent,
software for
singing,
it.
dancing. Where is Microsoft? You want to talk about their logo? You want to do something of that sort? How's the new logo? How's the new platform? New Windows?
No, that has got
People
nothing
don't
to
talk
do with that.
yeah.
about
So
it.
then
That's so,
it's, no one knows why
because
Microsoft is
just
doing
30
it. So,
seconds.
then it's
So
gonna be-
people won't
like
be
you
interested
cannot-
even it's a phone or whatever. They'll just,
They
It's
might
a
be
temporary
interested for a
interest.
phone. You might call them up for a phone. They would
but maybe once or twice. We'll keep on calling them hundreds of times. Everybody is busy at the end of the day. I mean, if it's
the one who wants the phone real bad will ask the people to call him. It's simple. It's not about the talent no more.
Yeah, and getting likes is very easy. You
As
just
you-
post on Facebook, call on this number. Just because I'm gonna win a phone, people will.
and
call
it's not
their
only
friends,
Facebook
they've
like
got
it's
500,
it's,
600.
it's
So I
pretty
can
much
do this thing.
easier.
The phone is for
Yeah.
20,000. I'll ask my friends. I'll pay you 1,000
Yeah.
each. You 20 guys do
Very
50
easy to
guys
get
do
likes.
50 rupees each. Just put it on Facebook. That's it.